ต้นมากเลย national
ทายไม่ได้
So after we spend good amount of times traveling and exploring, it's eventually the time for us to get back to our university mode. And this is the ÉNSA Versailles welcome day, where they took us to see around the campus.
ปากกากระบาด
สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ
เราจะไป ราชวงศ์
ตอนนี้ก็ถึงแล้วครับทุกคนÉNSAวีครับ ตื่นเต้นมากเลยทีนี้ก็ถึงแล้วนะครับข้างใน École Nationale Su This is the very first day, and though on the 13th we have an orientation day, but here's the catch. We did not attend it. Okay, this is my first time using a back camera. This is the orientation day. Last week we had a exchange student orientation day where we get to tour around, but this is the master one orientation day, so I haven't said it, but cannot. I don't even know what this pin means, but I got this in Nice. Look at that. Isn't that cute? This is like an ice cream pin that says Nice, or maybe it's just say nice. I just didn't know. So when we were heading to the train, we were already a little bit late, so we tried to get there as quickly as possible. And by the time we got to the train station, the door was already beeping. So the adrenaline kicked in. I sprinted to the door and I got in, thank God. Yay, right? I looked back, and you know who's not on my side? Parn and Minnie. So we looked at each other through the train windows, and it was like the most sitcom scene ever happened. We say goodbye, we wave goodbye, and the train took off. Is nobody coming to Versailles Chateau Versailles? I was alone. There's also no one with me on the train. And I started to party. This is the point of the story where we meet back in like 20 minutes and everything will be okay and we will attend the orientation. But it will not be me if things went correctly. So while I was sitting and waiting for the train to arrive at Versailles Chateau River Gauche, I kept on waiting and waiting. We arrived at Versailles Chantiers and people were leaving, and there was less and less people on the train. I was chilling though. I know that it's the Versailles Chateau River Gauche is the end of the line, so I don't need to worry about anything. But then I arrived at one station called Yves Saint Quentin, and I checked on Google Maps and I got a pit in my stomach. Why am I so far away from Versailles Palace? This is not the station. Why am I so far away from Versailles Chateau? Is this not the correct route? It has been 30 minutes. I should have been there by Minnie, and they say that they are almost there. And then I started panic. I started to sweat and then stop, and they seemed to not understand me at the train app to see which way I should go, but they didn't tell me what platform. And then I saw maybe the station went back, and then I was like, I stayed at the same spot. I would have gone back, but I changed the platform, and now we need to wait 10 minutes more. And after all that, we arrived at the orientation. It's still going, but we decided to not attend anyways because this was a lot. Okay. โอ้
ก็ได้นะ
ก็ได้นะ
ส่งแล้ว
นี่นะครับ
มีชื่อหรือยัง
นี่นะครับ
เหลืองอะ
คุณมันก็เหลืองไงคุณเป็นนี่ทำนะครับอร่อยมาก
ยังไม่ได้กินเลย